Hi, my name is Kali Atreus. I'm the ASB president, and this is our class.
My favorite part of ASB is the opportunity to grow as a leader.
Connection,
Fun,
family relationship,
communication skills,
the creativity,
drive,
helpful,
the people,
Making new friends,
innovation.
the bonds,
the community,
a community.
the community.
ASB means a fun time.
hard work, showing your leadership,
collaborating with others to make a difference at our school,
never-ending support,
Fun,
Working together.
Inspiring.
leadership,
Chance for bonding,
unity,
family,
a family,
family,
Family.
family.
ASB to me means so much. It's a second family, and it's a home away from home.
For me, ASB is like a family. It's not like your bond with your relatives. We're like, we strive together, really work with everyone, and it really brings out the best qualities of yourself as an individual. And I'd like to call that a family.